All right, Jonathan. So I've got a house under contract. Woo! And I'm shopping around lenders because I was told that was a good idea or something. And all these different lenders charge all these different fees. What does network funding charge? And how do I know how that actually compares to anyone else?
That's an awesome question, Austin. And that's what this video is all about.
All right, so break it down for me. What does network funding charge and why?
So you might see lender fees up here, but at network funding, we actually charge a lender fee. So it is singular.
Just one.
And what we mean by that is there's a cost of origination is the way that we do it, and we lump everything in. So we call our fee flat, all-inclusive, and it's fixed. And I'll break down what that means. So our fee is 1420, Austin. So it's $1,420. And the reason why I say it's flat is it doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, depending on loan amount or loan program or anything like that. And when I say it's all-inclusive, it means we're covering all these other things you see here: origination, processing, underwriting, credit report, application, admin, funding, all the great work that's going to go into doing your loan. We just charge $1,420.
Yep. And so a lot of lenders will actually break that out, which is totally fine. How they show it, there's some flexibility and some freedom there. We like freedom.
Yep.
So they might itemize it for you. Some lump it together. We choose to lump it together because our fees don't change. And so it's just one less thing for you to try to think about. So let's talk about, so we're going to lump it into this right here. It's going to be called an origination fee. It's going to be in section A on your loan estimate. It's going to be right at the top of the fees worksheet if you're looking at that. But other lenders' fees, those are should be in section A, but some can slide into section B. Just depends on that other lender.
Yeah, and you have to add, the problem when you break them down like that is the borrower has to go in and count them and add them all up and figure out how much is the total cost for you doing my loan.
Yeah.
So it does not make it easy, and we're all about making things easy.
And some lenders will throw in just random fees like Topo Chico fees. So you got to watch out for stuff like that. But for us, it's going to be straightforward. It's the origination. How do some other lenders charge their origination fee though?
So very common for like a credit union or a bank to do a percentage-based origination cost. Yeah. So if you're borrowing, say $500,000, they'll charge you 1% origination. So that'd be 5 G's to just do your loan. Wow. So we're 4.5x less than that just on our flat fee. And we lend up to $3 million here at Network Funding, and we lend out as little as $70,000. So whether you're borrowing $70,000 or $3 million, we're charging you $1,420.
Yeah, that's great. And then something else about that $1,420. That $1,420 is going to Network Funding corporate. So that's taking care of what Network Funding has to do corporately to get your loan done. That's not coming to Jonathan and me. It's not going to one of our loan officers. It's going to our parent company to take care of your financing throughout the whole process. So that's where that fee is going. It's going to make sure that an underwriter is getting paid to underwrite your loan.
Yeah. And so we think it's really important as a buyer's agent or anybody in the industry, especially our borrowers, to know whoever's doing your financing, how are they charging you for the origination costs? I had a borrower, Austin, yesterday, called me and said this lender was offering this rate. I was talking through him what our rates are and what we have available, and asked him, well, what's the cost of origination with this other lender that's offering you that rate? He was like, that's a great question. I don't know. Mm-hmm. And I'm just shocked, but I guess I'm not shocked. But, we're incredibly transparent with our borrowers here. I talked to him about our $1,420 and what that covers. And he was like, thank you so much. I appreciate that. And so it's funny that a lender will throw out a rate, but not even talk about the cost of origination.
And what's going on in that is sometimes they're hiding those costs to buy down your rate in that 1% origination fee, in some of these other fees, because they're padding it. We see some crazy stuff charged for credit report fees. Crazy. So you just want to be careful when you're looking at it. It's not just about the interest rate. It's about the cost that's associated with that interest rate, as you said, Jonathan. So if you have any questions on your fees worksheets or loan estimates, send them to us. We're happy to help look at it from a mortgage lens and help you understand what you're looking at to compare apples to apples.
So $1,420.
That's it for us. We'll see you around.
Adios.